Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat pinjasliang. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Net Foodish. Ordar mapi nginwan ramangi hakerdob yeng jongpi.
Kakin hon hinyo trip National Awakening Movement kalau orang bakal penkre yang kin hon ke bakalan banyak hon hak election MDC syaka khasi health autonomous district council ke Bansalong House nam arajar pausan working president juga kenam ubat Thomas Pasa hak jengkaran bakilar petai ke buat hak kat atri urno opera arajar pausau ulo orang ke kenam karan tang kuwe ke san pertai bar kuwe ke thong daga jing thumu ban pintik na barandu usnam uban sawan on COE ke jing terekam hapok ke district council Yaka jimpin klan yaka kanet bahan riu. Namar bakalong ka basngawsi ban yoi, bagi MDC meminta kim shim lalaan pin urlong yaka thong jaga kanet bahan riu.
From the Kham side, we have been preparing for the upcoming MDC election for quite some time now. We have notified the first list, which include candidates from 6 constituencies. And we are waiting for the recommendation of the State Election Committee on the second list. And we have the only objective that Kham has now. We are preparing a team. We are preparing a very strong team which has one ideology, one goal. With the objective to ensure that for the next year onward, we will see a better district council in KHDC. So that we will uphold the spirit of the 6th schedule. We uphold the objective when district council was formed by our late leaders in the state. As of now, it is very sad to see that the district council election committees, be it ECs or various MDC, have not been able to live up to the objective of the 6th schedule. So, from our side, we are preparing a very detailed plan on this, and till now we have already finalized a team of 8 candidates, and we hope that after finalizing the rest, we will have a team. But we want to make it very clear. From Kham, we are looking for a quality team, not for a quantity team. And maybe we have already rejected 2 or 3 candidates in the first phase. And in the second phase, if the candidates who have applied, we don't see in them the quality, the intention, the spirit to work with the ideology of the party to ensure we make differences in this council, maybe those candidates also will be rejected. Therefore, our route to the district council is quality, not quantity. From the Kham side, we will be preparing a manifesto, no doubt, but our manifesto will be in line with what the Kham has been saying, have been knocking on district council for quite many years now. There are no difference. We have been knocking at the district council door since 2014, urging them to amend the AD Rule 128, wherein we specify who has the right to vote at district council, which is still now nobody is doing. So this will be one of our agenda. Number 2, we have already spoken, insisted, demanded the KHDC in the past, be it AC of the Congress or the NPP. We have insisted that the trading by non-tribal regulation 1945 has to be implemented to protect the trading by non-tribal, to protect the trade of the indigenous tribe, not to generate revenue. So this is also one of the agenda that we have. Number 3 is that we have demanded from the state government, written a letter to the central government, have insisted the district council to relook at the Presidential Order 1950, which is still pending. So this is also one of the agenda that we are carrying forward in this MDC election. And there are a few other agenda issues that the Kham has already prepared, and we will be launching them in the proper program when we launch the manifesto of the party. The district council, 6th schedule, is one of the very strong element now in the tribal area, especially in the Khasi Jaintia Hills, to protect the right of the indigenous tribe. And now, if some party are against the district council and they are participating in the district council, I think intellectual people will definitely take a judgment on such stance. From our side, we want to make it clear that we cannot let go of the 6th schedule. We need the district council. No doubt, there has been failure of functioning of the, but this is because of the parties. It is because of the MDCs that have been elected for so long now. To really see the power of the 6th schedule, the effectiveness of the district council, we need a party like KNUM to get an opportunity to be in the ruling, so that we can change many things. So that's why from our side, we make it very clear that the district council is very, very important, and we do not have the leisure to say that we do away with the district councils. From the KNUM side, if we get all 29 quality candidates, we will be fielding 29 candidates. But if we don't get, we will go for quantity, and we will have to let go of quantity. We have to hold on to the quality of the candidate. And I think the list, second list, will be out soon, because it all depends on the state election committee, because they have a long process of screening the candidates. You'll have to attend 2 or 3 interviews, and there is a ground verification of candidates also. So it might take some time, but from the party side, we have given a free hand to the state election committee. It's better to be late for 1 month than to fail for 5 years.